Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to report an account on Instagram. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open Instagram on your preferred browser and click on your profile picture or profile icon. Now select the account which you want to report. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner and then select Report. There will be two options, whether you want to report the account or just report the messages and comments. Select any of these options according to your preference. After that, Instagram will ask for the reason for which you want to report this account. Select any of these reasons and proceed forward to the next step. Now again provide the reason according to your selected option. And that's it. The account is reported successfully. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.